evening all of you. Welcome to the video on analysis of CE/CB cascode amplifier. In the last video, I completed up to the approximate H parameter model equivalent for CE/CB cascode amplifier. Now I'll start the analysis. We know the analysis starts from the second stage. So now we'll directly start the analysis. What is the second stage? The second stage is CB. Okay. I've already given a table which consists of CE, CB, CC, single stage amplifier analysis formulas which are based on approximate H parameter model. Okay. From that table, okay, you can write AI2 as HFE by 1 plus HFE. Okay. Then RI2 HIE by 1 plus HFE. AV2 AI2 into RL2 by RI2. What is AI2? HFE by 1 plus HFE into RL2. RL2 is nothing but RL divided by RI2, HIE by 1 plus HFE. So these denominators are cancelled. So you'll be with HFE into RL by HIE. Okay. Then what about R02? Is infinite. Therefore R02 dash. R02 in parallel with RL is nothing but RL. Now we'll move to the analysis of first stage. What is the first stage? C. Okay. Yes. AI1 is minus HFE. We already know CE formulas very well. Then RI1 HIE. Yeah, if you see RI1, here also there is HIE. Then AV1 AI1 into RL1 by RI1. What is that? What is AI1 minus HFE? RI1 HIE. What is RL1 here? See here. How to find RL1? See this. The resistor which is connected to the output terminal of the first stage or second stage is considered to be the load resistance for that stage. In that point of view, for the second stage, as RL is connected to the output terminal C2, this is considered as load resistor RL. But see here, C1 is not connected to any load, any external load here. But what about the resistance for the collector? What about the load for the first stage? In this case, what you have to consider is, you have to consider the resistance connected for the output terminal of the first stage. Okay, so what is the resistance connected for this terminal? You have to consider this whole input part of your second stage. What is the whole resistance connected to the C1? Up to this you have to consider. Okay, what is that resistance? That resistance is RI2. So that is the reason RL1 here is RI2. Okay, therefore totally it is, what is this? Minus HFE by HIE into, what is RI2? RI2 is HIE by 1 plus HFE. Okay. Into HIE by 1 plus HFE. So what is this totally? So it is minus HFE by 1 plus HFE. Okay. So that is the AV1. What about your R01? R01 is infinite. So R01 dash. Is there any R01 dash? No. So no need to go for R01 dash. Okay. So this is the analysis of first stage. Now after this, what you have to do? You have to go for the analysis of overall parameters. What are the overall parameters? Tell me. What are the overall parameters? AV, AI, RI, R0, AVS, AIS. These are the overall parameters. Okay. So now we'll start AV. What is AV? AV is nothing but AV1 into AV2. What is AI? AI is nothing but AI1 into AI2. Then what is RI? I already told you, input resistance for the overall Ri1 dash. Okay, then what about R naught of the total amplifier? Yes, R naught of the total amplifier is nothing but output impedance of the second stage. What is output impedance of the second stage? R naught 2 dash. What is R naught 2 dash? R naught in parallel with R. Yes, which is nothing but RL as R naught 2 is infinite. Okay, so we're left with two things, AVS and AIS. Okay. Yes. Coming to AVS. What is AVS? Voltage gain taking source resistance into account. That is V0 by Vs. Okay. You can write it as V0 by Vi into Vi by Vs. What is V0 by Vi? V0 by Vi is nothing but, this is your V0 by Vi. Okay, is nothing but AV, so you can write it as AV into Vi by Vs. Okay, so now how to find this Vi by Vs? For that, you have to consider the input circuit, this part, Vs. Yes, here is a resistor Rs. Here is the resistance. This is the total resistance here is Ri1 dash. Yes, the voltage across this is nothing but your Vi. This is nothing but your Vi. Voltage across this total resistance is nothing but Vi. Okay, so this is nothing but your Vi. So this seems to be a series circuit in which there is voltage division. Okay, so this is the total voltage source. Then what the voltage across Ri1 dash is Vi. You can write Vi as total voltage Vs into that particular resistance Ri1 dash divided by the total resistance Rs plus Ri1 dash. Okay, therefore what is Vi by Vs? Ri1 dash by Rs plus Ri1 dash. Okay, totally what is your AVS? AVS is AV into Ri1 dash by Ri1 dash plus Rs. Okay. Now we'll find AIS. Okay, so how to write it? I explained you in the last concept of CE cascade amplifier analysis. Okay, you have to start from the end and you have to you have to go back. Okay, like that. So, yes, IL by, what is the back current? IC2, back current, IE2, yes, this is IE2, and the back current IC1, yes, the next current IB1, the next current IS. These are the currents. Okay, as usual, what is IL by IC2? See here, this is IL and this is IC2. Okay, there is no resistance to divide those currents. So that is the reason the two are equal and opposite. For that reason, IL by IC2 is nothing but -1. Okay. Yes. Next is IC2 by IE2. Okay. So what is actually AI2? Tell me what is AI2? Output current of the second stage divided by input current of the second stage. What is the output current of the second stage? IL divided by what is the input current of the second stage? IE2. Fine. So what is IL and what is the relation between IL and IC2? IL is nothing but minus IC2. Okay. So minus IC2 by IE2. So it implies IC2 by IE2 is nothing but minus AI2. Okay. So you can write it as this IC2 by IE2. Yes, you can write it as minus AI2 into. Then IE2 by IC1. See here. This is IE2 and this is IE1. This is IE2 and this is IE1. Is there any resistance to divide the current? No resistance. Okay. The two are equal and opposite. So that is the reason IE2 by IC1 is nothing but -1. Okay, then. What about IC1 by IB1? We already know. This is the first stage. Whatever may be the stage number, IC by IB is nothing but H of E. H of E. Or you can write like this. Okay, yes. Tell me what is your AI1. Again, same. Output current of the first stage divided by the input current. What is the output current of the first stage? Suppose if you have a load here, okay, if you have a load like this, suppose, yes, the current through this load is nothing but output current, okay. Suppose if you don't have this stage, then what about this load current is nothing but minus IC1, okay. This load current is nothing but minus IC1. So you can write it as, yes, minus IC1 by IB1 implies IC1 by IB1 is equal to minus AI1. If we see the first stage AI1, so it is minus H of E, so IC1 by IB1 is nothing but H of E. That is the reason I wrote H of E here. Okay then tell me with IB1 by IS. Okay, so this is IB1 and this is IS. For that, we'll consider one circuit. Yes, say this circuit. Yes, this is VS, RS, and this is base, and here is, this is B1, here is your, I can say HIE is nothing but RI1, so I'll write it as RI1. So this will be R3 in parallel with R4, okay. So now this is the current IS. Now the IS is going up to the node. Then it gets divided like this. This current is nothing but your IB1. Okay. So the total current is IS. It gets divided into two parts. This part is nothing but IB1. So what you can write here? You can write IB1 as, yes, what is IB1? Total current IS into opposite resistance R3 in parallel with R4 by the sum of resistances RI1 plus R3 in parallel with R4. Okay, so you can write IB1 by IS as R3 in parallel with R4 by RI1 plus R3 in parallel with R4. Okay, so totally into, yes, I am writing here R3 in parallel with R4 by RI1 plus R3 in parallel with R4. It is totally minus AI2. What is AI2? H of E by 1 plus H of E. H of E by 1 plus H of E into H of E into R3 in parallel with R4 by RI1 plus R3 in parallel with R4. Okay. So this is your AIS. Okay. So this is totally the overall amplifier analysis. Then how is the problem? They'll provide all the resistor values of the circuit and they'll provide HIE and HFE. Okay, they'll ask us to find various voltage gains and current gains, input resistances and output resistance. Simply you substitute the given values in all these formulas and we will get the required values. Okay, so that's all. That is about analysis of CE/CB cascode amplifier. In the next video, I'll explain the analysis of CE/CC amplifier. Okay, thank you very much.